So guys, finally nandito na kami ulit sa 99 Advertising Company. So dumating na yung tao nila at kukuha pa sila ng maraming tao. So liga, pasok tayo sa loob at interviewin natin yung dumating na tao nila na I think hindi ganun naging smooth kasi nagkaroon daw ng problema dun sa immigration. Pero tanungin natin. Let's go. Tao po. Sige pa, akit na tayo dito sa taas. So that's 99 at nandito si Miss Sarah. Natulog po ba? So nakatulog na kasi alas 5 na madaling araw dumating. Hello! Miss Sarah. So here's Miss Sarah. Miss Sarah, kamusta naman?
Okay lang.
Satisfied naman din sa pagdating ni Kuya Raymart?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wait, here's his boss. Yeah, thank you po. Hi, Mr. Raymart. Sorry. How are you? How are you, brother? So finally,
all good?
Yeah, things are good. So right now, how was it?
Very good, very good. Thank you so much, guys. Really, it has been smooth, and thank you so much for the effort.
Yeah, no worries.
Without you, we could have not done this.
Yeah.
So thank you so much. I'm moving to the next guy.
Yes, actually,
definitely.
The medical is already done, right, Miss Sarah? And she's already fit. So you can now process the visa.
Yes.
And I think, how many guys are going to get more?
As many as we could. Inshallah,
Yes.
business is expanding, and we're happy with the service. So inshallah.
Yeah, thank you so much. And here is Mr. Raymart. Finally, I can feel that talagang kakagising lang niya. Nakatulog po ba kayo? Napuyat, no? Ano po yung nangyari? Balita ko, medyo hindi ganun kaano sa immigration, siguro bago, no? Kinabahan po ba kayo doon?
Hindi naman po sa immigration, sir. Sa may
Check-in.
check-in.
Oo.
Tinanong lang naman nila yung visa ko kasi
Pa-expire na.
for this November 18.
Kaya, guys, ang visa niya will expire today outside the country. But when you entered, you still have 2 months para i-process yung iyong Emirates ID, visa stamping, and also yung medical mo. Ano, kamusta naman po dito sa company niyo pagdating mo?
Okay naman po.
Paano kayo nakita ni Miss Sarah sa Pilipinas?
Dati kaming magkatrabaho ni Miss Sarah.
Dati kayo magkatrabaho. Wow, napaka-lucky nyo naman po kasi syempre, nirecommend kayo ni Miss Sarah. Ibig sabihin, magaling kayo. Wow! Wag niyo po kami ipapahiya because your boss is really nice actually. He's really kind. He's starting to trust a lot of Filipinos working with this company. So please do your best. Do your best because as he told us, you're going to hire a lot of Filipinos. Galingan nyo na lang po, gawin nyo yung best nyo. Okay? And ano pa po, may mga question po ba sa immigration nung papasok po kayo?
Wala naman na po. Nasilip lang naman yung na-upload ako pero okay naman.
Na-upload kayo before? Na-upload nga po pala. Na-upload kayo twice. Okay, so ganito. Sa unang pagkakataon na na-upload kayo, ano yung naramdaman nyo?
Na-down ako siyempre na di ako makapunta rito kasi excited daw pero yung pala, di ako makapunta rito.
Oo, so hinatid kayo ng family mo sa airport.
Oo.
Tapos,
di ako nag-give up kasi
yes,
trust mo sa
because of Miss Sarah. Yeah. So ngayon, nung kasama niyo yung family niyo papuntang airport, pagkatapos, nagulat yung family mo, kasama din kayong pauwi.
Nagkita ulit kami pa.
Kasi di ba ganun parang, okay, nagpa-despedida, nagpaalam, and then after nun, pauwi din.
Yung umalis ako ngayon, walang despedida. Umalis lang ako. Wala lang hatid.
Wala na natin. Nung second muna, kasi sabi ni Miss Sarah, twice kayo na-upload eh. So nung second, hindi na kayo nagpa-despedida?
Wala lang despedida sir.
Hindi na rin kayo nagpa-hatid sa airport?
Wala na.
So, yan yung mga natin, pag talagang na-offload na. Siyempre, natatakot. Minsan ayaw pa nga sabihin sa family na aalis eh, no? Sinabi niyo po ba?
Ay, ako, sinabi ko naman po.
Sinabi niyo po.
Mahirap pa mo sa umalis ka na, hindi alam na pa.
Pero yung pangalawang pagkakataon na na-offload kayo, kinabahan po kayo?
Yung sir, kinabahan ako dun kasi kinausap na ako na immigration. Pero wala naman ako sinabi. Hindi lang ako nagsalita sa kanya kasi alam ko naman na mali. Pinalabas na ako. Pero lumabas ako nang nakayo ko.
Hindi kasi pero, sino ang gumastos nun? Sino gumastos? O, di ba? I mean, sayang yung perang ginastos pag tourist visa talaga pagkapos hindi mo alam na, twice, di ba, yung ticket. Let's say,
Kasama pa siya.
ay, hindi kasama pa kayo. Dalawa kayo na dapat mag-work po dito. But now, yun po ba yung pinamedical natin ngayon? Wow. So, they tried lang nakuhanin ka muna and it's successful na nakapunta ka dito. Kaya, sabi nga ng boss mo, they're going to get a lot of Filipinos. So, dumadami yung mga Filipino dito. Pinayayaman nyo lalo ang iyong boss. Yeah. Which is good naman kasi you're helping them and they are helping you as well na makuha kayo sa Pilipinas. This time naman, nung meron kayong complete documents, ano yung naramdaman nyo? Kahit complete documents, kinabahan pa rin po ba?
Hindi na sir kasi nahawakan ko yung documents, nakita ko naman complete. Wala na akong kaba. Kahit alam kong na-upload ako, alam kong makakaalis
na kayo. Eh, bakit hindi po kayo nagpa-despedida ngayon?
Adilo po.
Hindi na, no? Okay. Actually, kami ni Miss Sarah ang kinabahan sa'yo. Kasi di ba Miss Sarah, nung kasi, nangyari, sabi mo, hindi ako maka-check-in. Kala ko naman, hindi ka talaga pina-check-in kasi pag gano'n, so syempre.
Sir, kasi chinik na.
Oo.
Yung visa ko daw expired in November 18. Alamin daw nila muna dito sa Abu Dhabi, sa team nila dito sa Abu Dhabi. Eh, nandun ako, nakapila lang ako nun, sir.
Oo, so pinaasog ka muna sa side.
Pinatabi muna. Kaya sabi ko, di pa ako naka-check-in. Di pa ako nakapunta ng immigration para alam ng lahat, di ba?
Yun nga yung sinabi ko kami, Miss Sarah, wala pang problema. Kasi pa lang, kung baga checking, wala pa tayong magiging solusyon na eh. Kung baga, pag nagkaroon ng problema, that's the time that we're going to think about the solution. Pero yung ginawa mo, pinakaba mo kami. Kaya syempre, kailangan ko
Hindi ko pala sagot yung call.
Oo. Kailangan ko pa ipa-calm down si Miss Sarah na, Miss Sarah, okay, wala pang problema. Kailangan wait muna natin. That's the time that we're going to decide. So, nung nakarating na kayo dito sa Dubai, ano yung naramdaman nyo?
Kinakabahan kasi siyempre first time. Hindi pa alam kung mga gagawin ko. Pero I'm thankful naman ako kasi si Sarah nandito. Tapos nakilala ko si Sir.
Yes, your boss is really nice.
Mabait si Sir.
Yeah, he's really kind. I have spoken with him before and yeah.
Okay na ako. Di ako yung feeling ko naman parang pamilya naman dito.
Familiar naman. Actually, if you're in UAE, para ka lang din nasa Pilipinas na, Miss Sarah. And also,
mas convenient dito lahat.
Convenient lang talaga dito. And soon, you can also get your, wife. Di ba? Mas madali din dito.
Yun yung sabi ni Sir kanina.
Yeah, you can get your wife din.
Get your wife.
Yeah, and kids if you want to. But you have to work hard muna. Paikot na po ba kayo dito sa, gawaan nila dito sa baba?
Inikot na kami sa
Inikot na kayo. So, ready na mag-work?
Yes, sir.
Yes! Okay, bukas na mag-work siya? Yes! So, trabaho niyo pala siya dati before? No,
Yes, under my management also.
So,
ako yung project manager nila before sa isang company, sa signage company sa Makati. And then, nag-separate ways lang kami kasi nag-transfer na din ako ng ibang companies.
Yeah.
So, nung now na nasa Abu Dhabi ako din sa signage industry, naalala ko sila. And then, chinek ko sa mga other ko na hawak kung sino yung interested. And gusto ko kasi trusted ko din at maayos gumawa. Halos lahat naman ng team ko na hinawakan maayos.
Yeah, it will reflect on you kasi talagang ikaw maayos
Kasi
ka.
magre-risk din ako sa trust ng boss.
Yes, of course. Everything is in your hand. Yes. Yeah, your boss is trusting you. You're getting a lot of Filipinos now. Yung sinasabi ko kaya
tulungan.
niya.
Tulungan. Kasi yung goal ko dito is not just for myself or for the company, but for them also to have a good life also.
Yes, that's the good thing. That's tatak Filipino talaga that we are helping each other. And also, I just have a question. How many more you're going to get from the Philippines?
Marami pa.
Wow.
Next si Tony Martin, right? And then next si Bergontes. So I'm hiring also graphic artists.
Graphic artist. Okay.
And
So, nag-record
operator.
kami niya na. Alam mo naman namin tayo yung pinag-usapan natin. And also operator. Wow.
Yes, artist and design head also. So may mga napusuan na din kami sa team namin before na interested and fabricators as well. That's why once na interested na sila or else prepared na yung passport nila or everything, then that's the time we will transfer to you.
Medical.
Kasi trusted namin kayo. So at least wala na akong iisipin.
Na na-upload nga, tinry nga nila,
Ang
mag-take
hirap
na
po kasi
risk.
mag-trust ng agency din eh.
Yeah, totoo,
Or
totoo.
something na hindi mo malalaman kung yung money mo worth it din
Oo,
to
totoo
spend.
naman po talaga.
So ito, na-prove nyo sa amin.
Yes.
So, continuous business po ito.
Thank you
Si
so
boss
much.
po yung nagsabi doon na continuous. So,
Yes, and I can see that boss has a really business to do. A lot of business to do talaga. Oh. Thank you so much again. We really appreciate it.
guys,
Yeah.
and for the next transaction, inshallah.
Yes. No worries. And also,
Inshallah.
Miss Sarah told me that you have a lot of hiring, so we're also going to help you to find people.
Yes, we
Because
are so
right now
happy.
we're starting to get people who she trusted from the Philippines already.
Yes,
Getting
definitely,
a
definitely.
also,
Through you
so
guys,
staff.
inshallah.
Yeah.
a lady staff also, so I'm getting. So
Mm-hmm.
one of my friends from the Philippines also.
Yeah. Okay. Welcome to Abu Dhabi. So Abu Dhabi siya kasi hindi naman siya taga Dubai. Good luck po and
Mga
I hope
friends
maging
sa
okay pa
Dubai.
kayo. Yeah, my friends sa Dubai. Gala-gala but work first. Okay?
No, definitely.
Yeah.
Work hard and party hard.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We really
Thank you,
appreciate
thank
your
you.
Thank you,
Thank
thank
you
you.
so
Yes, inshallah, I like that.
Inshallah, yes. Until
Nice,
June,
nice.
يعني I'll be telling her inshallah until the end of 25 we need to add at least in the next year we need to add 10 12 people minimum
Yeah.
inshallah.
Inshallah.
Hopefully
Hoping for the best
inshallah
on your
definitely.
company because I can see true Miss Sarah. Yes, you're really lucky to Miss Sarah.
I'm very lucky, yes.
She's a gem. Yeah.
She is very dedicated and she is very hardworking. She's
Yeah.
very loyal.
I can
She
feel
loves
it
what
as well.
she does.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're very lucky to have her actually. And lucky to have you guys.
Thank
also.
you.
Yes!
This is,
Inano nyo yung ano namin, yung,
this is
yung
actually
pain.
true.
Sinulog
Because we've
nyo.
done surveys basically, survey in the market before hiring you. We've seen other agencies. The price that we paid for you is very reasonable, if you understand me.
Yeah.
And we have received value for the money that we
Yeah,
have paid.
I know. Thank you.
And we feel safe with
Yeah.
you. No scamming, no
Yeah.
nothing. It's straightforward, very transparent process.
Yeah.
So we believe that we have partners.
Yes, don't
working.
worry. We're going to
So
want
thank
our
you so
company
much,
to
yeah.
become bigger as well.
Inshallah.
Hopefully, so we can help a lot of Filipinos
Yeah.
also.
See, she's bringing the team from the Philippines.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to see you again. Dear.
We're happy to
Yeah.
see you. Please drop by anytime you're in Musafrah. Just come say hello. Just we are friends here. You
Yeah.
have friends here.
Open.
Just just come say hello anytime.
Anytime.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
we will be having interview also by tomorrow.
Tomorrow, okay.
Yes,
Sir
1
Ali will
p.m.
assist
for
us,
the,
okay.
I think, accounting staff.
I don't want to judge prematurely, but
Yeah.
I think she's more of a corporate environment.
Yes.
Yeah, if you don't like it, that's okay. Just tell us
No, I'm not
directly.
judging at all.
No,
but
but
I just would
that's
like.
how the way your business do. If you don't like that, that's tell us. We're going to find more because there's also a lot of people who are interested to, apply.
This is an iron woman.
Yeah, I
so-
know. She's the one who will filter.
I'm not sure the other lady will be able to handle this toughness of coming back, working in Musaffah environment. After all, it's industrial environment, if you understand me.
Yeah, I know.
So I don't know whether it will be a good match for her or not. But we will have an interview with her.
Yeah.
And we will share with you our feedback after.
No worries, that's
Let's
fine.
see, yeah,
At
but let's
least-
keep the search
Tuloy-tuloy ito
going.
on the business.
Yeah,
Kasi marami
as long as
tayo
the business is
fabricator,
growing.
installer.
Yeah.
So installers, hindi pa kami titigil. So
Yeah.
tuloy-tuloy.
So we're going to keep posting it as well. So and the company they can see it on the YouTube that you are still hiring for fabricator. Of course, they might send you directly as
Yes,
well,
yes.
CVs or whatever. So
Yes.
yeah, just
Anything in relation to Philippines, we will let you know about it, even if we get it from our side.
yeah,
We will go through you just to make sure that the process goes smoothly.
yeah. Inshallah. Okay, so thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And Sarah, ayos na po kami. Yeah,
Thank you for
so
coming.
much.
Thank you,
And thank you for
ma'am.
having the interview
Thank you,
for the
sir.
second
Thank you,
time
thank
around.
you.